Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to cook a coffee and walnut cake, only it's going to be a little bit different as usual. I'm going to add in some alcohol and putting in some coffee liqueur, and it gives it a little bit of an adult taste. If you're making this for kids, obviously don't put the alcohol in. Anyway, watch me, follow along, and I'll make this coffee cake. See you in a while. Let's make a coffee and walnut cake. First of all, butter or spray 2 20cm tins. Line the bottom with baking paper and then sieve all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Add the softened butter into the mixing bowl and then put in the sugar and mix on a medium speed for about 3 minutes. When this is mixed, turn off the mixer, scrape down the sides of the bowl and then add 3 eggs, but one at a time, otherwise you might curdle them. Near the end, add a splash of coffee liqueur. Now, put the flour in a little at a time to avoid a flour cloud. Then pour in the milk. Next, pour in some of the coffee mixture. Now it's time to put in the walnut pieces. Pour out a good glug of coffee liqueur for that grown-up taste. Scrape down the bowl and pour an equal amount of the mixture into each tin and bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the filling. Put the mascarpone into a bowl and mix until smooth. Add the icing sugar and some more coffee liqueur. Take off the mixing attachment and put on the whisk attachment. Mix this together until you achieve a soft peak stage. By this time, your sponges will be ready in the oven. Take them from the oven and rest them for 10 minutes and put a skewer or a toothpick into the sponge to make sure that it comes out dry. You can also test by just pressing the top of them and see if it springs back. turn out the sponges after 10 minutes. It doesn't really matter too much if they're not perfectly even, as you're going to coat them anyway. I usually turn them upside down. Just for a bit more of a kick, I add a drop more of some alcohol at this stage, and then I put the cream over the top of it, and then spread it evenly over the cake. Place the top layer on top, and you guessed it, more coffee liqueur. Sometimes I put rum on the top layer as a change. Spread some cream over the top and add some swirls around the edge of the cake. Finally, add some walnuts on the top of each one, and then add some chocolate sprinkles, and now enjoy your calories. Coffee and walnut cake done. That's come out really lovely. It's a nice boozy one. As I said before, if you want to make this for the kids, just don't add the Tia Maria, but this is really good. I'm going to cut into it, see how it slices, and might even have a little taste. So just show you a piece of this. There we are. I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to have a taste. Right, well, you can really taste the coffee liqueur in that. I'd say you can even add a bit more, but then I like the booze. Please make this and watch along next week for the next video, and we'll do something entirely different. Thanks for your filming, Jack, and I'll see you all again next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.